Hey guys, it's Y33 Ambassador of Instagram. I thought I'd make a YouTube channel about some like servicing, modifications, general know-how about the Y33 chassis, and more specifically the VQ30 DET powered one, or also known as the body code as FHY33. I ordered some parts, got them sent here by Jesse Strader off the auctions, and today we're going to start with the Blitz Racing Radiator Cap Type 1. I'll show a screenshot of me scanning that QR code and scrolling down the list. They make them for all types of cars and manufacturers, but basically the Type 1 is for the VQ30 DET, and I'll change it over the camera angle so you can see it better, but it's going to be an easy install. It takes literally 30 seconds, so I'll change the camera and I'll see you there. So this is me just scanning that QR code you saw on the front of the package, that QR code for the Blitz Racing Radiator Cap, and it wasn't set up alphabetically, but the manufacturing, the different models, Cima was on the second page, and that's from memory. It's from the VHY33, VGY33, which is the V8 one, and it's for the VQ30 DET, which I own, and there's the VH41DE, which is that V8 version. And I'll scroll across, and marked in blue you can see it's for the Racing Cap Type 1. Where is it? I'll scroll a little bit, yeah, there. So Type 1. So for those who are interested, this is what the back looks like. It's a bit zoomed in. It's all in Japanese, it's made in Japan. That's the front. So I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging and I'll swap it over with that stock one. Well, I'm not sure it's stock, I think that's an aftermarket one. It's not Nissan, obviously. It's got some sticker on it, that's pit work. I think it's like their version of, like in Japan, they have their own automotive like home brand. That's an OEM replacement, but I'll take it out of the packaging and I'll swap it over. And that's all done. So I'll just go a bit closer so you can see. Looks pretty cool. And I've got my Blitz air filter there as well. But yeah, just a quick video. But that's basically how you do it. And for those who are curious, this is what I had before. Pit work, radiator cup, still good. I'll still keep it as a spare just in case. But yeah, my coolant level is all healthy. But yeah, just a fun little video. And I'll check you in the next video.